Good morning, dear students. Let's start surface area and volumes. Students, in previous lecture, I have explained you how to construct the formulas of cube and cuboid. Now, students, in this video, we will discuss about the questions related to the same. So, let's start with exercise 13.1, question number 1. A plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep is to be made. It is to be open at the top. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, we have to determine the area of the sheet required for making the box. Students, in this question, we have a plastic box. You can see from the diagram, we have a plastic box which has 1.5 meter length and wide is 1.25, that is breadth is 1.25 meter, and it's it is deep 65 centimeter, that is the height, and is to be made. It is to be open at the top. This plastic box is open at the top. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, we have to find the area of the sheet required for making the box. Students, in this question you have to make a open box. In this way we have total 5 faces. Okay, by making the constructing the formula on yourself, only leaving the roof because this box is open. So let's start. First given is the length, breadth and height. Length, breadth are in meter, so we have to convert the height in meter also. So in this way, by dividing 100, we convert this 65 centimeter into 0.65 meter. So area of sheet required is area of cuboid minus area of top which is open. In this way, we have formula of cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Now we have to subtract here the area of the roof because this plastic box is open. In this way, we make the formula length breadth plus 2BH plus 12H. Putting the values of LBH, we get 1.5 into 1.25 plus 2 into 1.25 into 0.65 plus 2 into 1.5 into 0.65. In this way, we get these values. So students, our answer is 5.45 square meter. Next part is second part. With the same dimensions, we have to calculate the cost of the sheet for it. If a sheet measuring 1 square meter cost rupees 120. Students, suppose if we have to make this box, open box, and sheet measuring square meter cost rupees 20 only. So how much money they require to make the complete open box? So area of sheet required is 5.45 square meter. This area we have just find in first part. Cost of sheet per square meter area is rupees 20. In this way, cost of sheet of 5.45 square meter area is rupees 5.45 into 20. In this way, we get 109 answer. Here we have second question. The length, breadth and height of a room are given 5, 4 and 3 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and the ceiling at the rate of rupees 7.50 per square meter. Students, if we have to do whitewash in our house, then we must whitewash the walls except the floor. So students, here we have to construct the formula by keeping this in mind. Except the floor, we have to whitewash all the walls. So Length, breadth, height are given 5, 4 and 3, all are in meters. We whitewash the 4 walls and the ceiling of the room. For that, area to be whitewashed is area of cuboid minus area of base. So, formula becomes 2 times length into breadth, 2 times breadth into height, 2 times L into H minus LB, because we are excluding the area of the base. In this way, by putting the values of LBH 5, 4 and 3, we get the 74 square meter. Cost of whitewashing per square meter area is 7.50. In this way, cost of whitewashing the 74 square meter area is 74 into 7.50, that is rupees 555. In this way, student, this is the cost of whitewashing the broom. So students, in this way we have completed 2 questions today. Hopefully all of you understand the questions. And so students, if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching the complete video.